Okay, in this episode we want to talk about another data type which is called arrays. An array is a data type and it's like a container that contains data, and not just one data but several data. For example, here if we think of each score as one variable with input type int, this is an array. This will be an array which contains 4 variables. But an important thing about arrays is that it should contain just one type of data. For example, they should all be in integer. Let's define a variable, call it integers of type int array. This will give us an array of integer, and let's put it equal to int array of, a built-in function in Kotlin for making an array of integer. And let's initialize it to, for example, 1, 2, and 3. You can see that we can't put of a variable of another data type in this integers array. So let's delete it. To refer to each of the variables in integers variable, we will call integers and open a bracket, and it will generate the closing bracket. Okay, back to our lesson, integers, opening and closing bracket, and here you can see index int. Here we will put the position of each variable that we want to use. For example, here if I want to use the first variable in integer, we should use the position of this. Something that you should notice is that in arrays the position always start from 0. So here 1 is in 0 position, 2 is in 1 position, and 3 is in 2 position. So to refer to the one variable, we will write integers and position 0. And if we want to add the first variable of integers array plus integers to the second variable. Second variable is in position 1, and let's assign it to a variable called result, and let's print the result variable. Tag for this sum in arrays. Result is, let's print the result, but before we should call data type array. Here, okay, doesn't have any parameter. Let's run it, and let's search for our log. Okay, result is 3. The sum of 1 and 2 is 3. Great.